your connection was interrupted, a network change was detected, error network changed. So when you try to browse something from Google or Microsoft Edge, and if you see this kind of error, then follow these steps to fix the issue. Okay, so the first solution that I would suggest is go to Network and Sharing Center, click on this change adapter settings. So currently I have Bluetooth network connection adapter, local area connection adapter, and wireless network connection adapter, right? And currently I'm using this Wi-Fi connection. So disable this Bluetooth one and also disable this local area connection. So enable only the one that you are using. So currently I'm using wireless network and I'm disabling all other adapters. Okay, so I'm keeping only this wireless network connection active. Okay, so this is the first solution and I've tried it personally. It's working. I don't see this problem anymore. If you still continue to observe the same issue, the other solution that I would suggest is go to command prompt, click on run as administrator. We will release the IP config and we will flush the DNS and we will renew the IP config. Okay, then we will also reset Windows socket and also the TCP IP. Okay, so to do that, so the commands are IP config space / release. Then the same command but flush DNS, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Then I'm going to renew the IP. First release, then flush DNS and then renew. Then once it is done, we will reset Windows socket, netsh winsock reset, and once it is done, reset TCP IP config. Okay, resetting global okay, interface okay, unique AS address okay, restart the computer to complete this action. So now I've reset, I've ran all the commands. I need to restart my computer. So let's restart it, and once the system is restarted, your problem should get fixed. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any further questions, put it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.